You probably just spilled some nail polish like I did, right? Okay, maybe not exactly like I did, since I kind of forced it out. Here's a quick list of the things you'll need to get that removed. Hairspray, and this can actually be the cheap kind. Rubbing alcohol, an old toothbrush, and some cold water. Let's get to it. Spray about 15 to 20 pumps of hairspray over the stain, then about 3 to 5 splashes of rubbing alcohol. Grab your toothbrush and scrub the stain for about a minute. While scrubbing, keep pouring some cold water onto the stain. Keep repeating until the stain is removed. If you're having the nail polish be a bit stubborn, pour a bit of non-acetone nail polish remover and continue to scrub with the toothbrush. Once the stain is all gone, dab the area with a clean white towel. Then vacuum to remove the excess dirt. How much nail polish did you end up spilling? Comment down below, and if you have any questions or suggestions for other stains, leave them in the comment section and we'll answer them for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.